Hey, you!
Who, me?
Yes, you. Can I ask you a few questions?
Sure, I guess.
Would you ever eat moldy bread?
Yeah, disgusting. No way I'd eat that.
Would you ever drink spoiled milk?
Ew, no way. That's just nasty. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have somewhere I need to be.
Wait, I've got one more question for you.
This question better be good.
Would you ever drink unfiltered tap water?
Well, what's wrong with tap water?
Unfiltered water like this, despite how clean it may look, could have all kinds of contaminants such as lead and PFAS. You never know what may be in the pipes this water came from.
I never really thought about that. How can I tell what's in my water?
To find out about the risks and how you can have your water tested, visit freshwaterfuture.org. Do you know what's in your water?